What you need is a little helping hand. You offered one to me, and you helped me understand that when your love for living can't be found, your heart's given orders that your head can't countermand, and you will make it through to smile and singing like the blues. So take this road with me, 'cause who knows what we're going to see. I should be the last one to give advice. I've pushed my chance in trouble, never thinking twice. And I know that external validation can't stop the voices that tell you that you will always pay the price. Yeah, you will make it through to smile and singing like the blues. So take this road with me, 'cause who knows what we're going to see. You will make it through to smile and singing like the blues. So take this road with me, 'cause who knows what we're going to be. When you've been blue for ages, all the other colors fade. Fireworks fizzle out and rainbows shiver in the shade. You're worth more than this, though life might take the biscuit. Open up the paintings of your heart and unleash your eyes. Tear that blue apart, apart, apart. Make it through the blue. Yeah, you will make it through to smile and sing it like the blues. So take this road with me, 'cause who knows what we're going to see. But you will make it through to smile and sing it like the blues. So take this road with me, 'cause who knows what we're going to be. You will make it through to smile and sing it like the blues. So take this road with me,